Sup gang! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create your EVEDEX account. Super quick, super easy, let's get into it. First things first, I recommend using the link in the description below as it will unlock more bonuses. Alright, once you click the link, you'll land on EVEDEX welcome page. There's a lot going on here, so let me break down what you actually get just by creating an account. First of all, you get 100 USDT reward once you hit your first 1 million in trading volume. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, it adds up faster than you think. On top of that, you can earn up to 60,000 USDT in total rewards. Check this table where it shows all the offers based on how big your capital is. But that's not all. You also get 10% cashback for 30 days, paid out in USDT, and you receive it daily based on how much you spent on trading fees. Okay, let's get more to deal. Scroll down a bit. Here you can see more other offers, but you'll also notice the sign up button right here. Or you can use this one. Either works. Let's click it. Now you'll see two ways to create your account. You can either sign up with a wallet or with your email. We're going to start with the wallet method, and after that, I'll walk you through the email option too. To sign up with a wallet, you'll need one installed already. It can be Rabby, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or whatever you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll use Rabby. Make sure you've got the Rabby extension installed and you're logged into your wallet. Then, check the box to accept the terms and conditions and click the Rabby icon. A pop-up window will appear asking you to connect your wallet. Click Connect. Next, it'll ask you to add the Eventum network. Just click Add, then Sign and Confirm. Congrats. You just created your EVEDEX account with your wallet. Now, let's do it with the email. That will be a little easier. Click the Sign Up button. Accept the terms. Type in your email. Hit continue and click submit. A confirmation code is going to land in your inbox. Go check your email, copy the code, paste it back into EVEDEX, and you're in. Congrats, your account is ready. There's one super important thing you need to know if you signed up with email. Click top right corner, profile avatar. Click Settings. Then click on the Security section and you'll see Private Key section. Here's the deal. When you create an account with email, EVEDEX automatically generates a wallet for you, and it's stored securely through Privy. But for extra protection and backup, you should save your wallet key or seed phrase yourself. Just click Export Wallet and you'll be able to copy it. Now, listen carefully. Never, ever share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. I mean it. Anyone who has them can take full control of your wallet, and your funds will be gone in seconds. Keep them offline, write them down somewhere safe, and never paste them online. Alright, that's it, gang. Your EVEDEX account is ready to roll. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe, leave some comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.